Good day, ladies and gentlemen, to the mining news on Commodity TV. Today with Osisko Metals, Skeena Resources, Torq Resources and Osisko Gold Royalties. Osisko Metals announced additional results from the ongoing infill drill program from its Pine Point project. The results reported are from the N39 deposit in the East Mill zone, located less than 2 kilometers from the proposed concentrator site. Mineralization is located above the water table at a vertical depth of 20 to 35 meters, where minimal, if any, dewatering will be required. The results are consistent with resource model expectations and have successfully delineated the high-grade zone within the N39 deposit. These results also provide infill distances required to raise the mineral resource classification to the threshold of the indicated category under NI 43-101 as defined in the 2020 PEA. Further assay results are pending. Hole N39 intersected 4.8 meters at 18.8% zinc and 0.8% lead, and another hole returned over 2 meters at 16.8% zinc and 4.5% lead. More good values are coming in, and Osisko Metals is on a very good track, ladies and gentlemen. We look forward to seeing more results. Skeena Resources announced an extension of the recently discovered Zone 23, which is outside the boundaries of the company's current pit-constrained mineral resources at the SK Creek Gold-Silver project. Highlights included new 1.97 grams gold with 3 grams silver, which is equivalent to 2 grams gold equivalent over 40.5 meters, then 0.58 grams gold, 14 grams silver over 52 meters, and 3 grams gold and 4 grams silver, which is equivalent to 3.05 grams gold equivalent over 7.5 meters. Fantastic results, ladies and gentlemen. The step-out drilling thus extends the Zone 23 very well and shows that gold and silver continue to be found beyond the pit limit, which may be considered very valuable in a future production scenario. Skeena is now making up for what previous operators missed, and shareholders will benefit greatly. Torq Resources provided an update on exploration and permitting progress at its Santa Cecilia gold-copper project. Torq's technical team has completed an initial geological assessment of the available historical drill core and has identified several phases of porphyry intrusions and believes there are several potential high-grade targets within the 10 square kilometer hydrothermal alteration system. In addition, the company is working closely with the local community on a plan for the first phase of exploration, which would include drilling from existing drill pads and construction of roads to the project, with the goal of beginning work in the second quarter of this year. Michael Henriksen, Torq's chief geologist, said, "The historical drill core targeting the porphyry system at the Santa Cecilia project demonstrates the incredible size and strength of the mineralized system observed. This has reinforced our technical team's confidence that high-grade porphyry mineralization will be present as we continue to explore clusters of distinct porphyry bodies throughout the project area." That's what Michael Henriksen said. Torq's technical team conducted a geological evaluation of the only 2 drill holes targeting copper porphyry mineralization at Santa Cecilia, drilled in 2012 already by the private owner, into the Cerro del Medio target in the center of the property. These 2 holes intersected over 925 meters with 0.45% copper equivalent, consisting of 0.21 grams gold and 0.27% copper and 82 ppm molybdenum, and over 868 meters at 0.35% copper equivalent. Given the outstanding strength and size of the hydrothermal system at Santa Cecilia, 1 or more higher-grade porphyry phases may be present. The discovery of one of these higher-grade porphyritic phases is the primary exploration target in Torq Resources' upcoming drill campaigns in this 10 square kilometer hydrothermal alteration system. Osisko Gold Royalties announced that its wholly owned subsidiary, Osisko Bermuda Limited, has signed a non-binding term sheet with Osisko Utah, a wholly owned subsidiary of Osisko Development (ODV) called, regarding a $20 to $40 million metal stream to facilitate ODV's acquisition of the high-grade Trixie Mine and mineral claims covering more than 17,000 acres in the historic Tintic mining district in central Utah. ODV announced that it has agreed to acquire a 100% interest in the Trixie Mine and Tintic property through the direct and indirect acquisition of all its shares. Trixie is one of the highest grade gold mines in the world, and exploration work, ladies and gentlemen, conducted in 2021 returned 14,709 ounces of gold at an average grade of 59 grams gold per ton. That's outstanding. The newly discovered high-grade T2 structure, adjacent to existing underground infrastructure, returned average grades of 93 grams gold and 135 grams silver per ton from more than 2,300 samples collected over a 215-meter strike length. In the short term, ODV proposes to complete engineering work to justify further development of the Trixie Mine, targeting an increase in throughput to 500 tons per day by the end of 2024, which could increase production from about 20,000 ounces gold per year currently to about 100,000 ounces gold per year after completion of the expansion. This would result in appreciable cash flow, which of course will help in the continued development of Osisko Development's giant projects, and I'm pretty sure Osisko Gold Royalties will love it too, as they have the stream. Please note the disclaimer superimposed. The companies may or will be part of the SRC Mining Special Situations Certificate. Thanks for watching us, and bye-bye from Switzerland.